Hello, it's Chris here, and here I am on Facebook. If you like what you see here today, then definitely add me on Facebook. My email is chrisgroves3@gmail.com, or you should be able to find me on here. Anyways, let's get right into it. Let's talk about paid traffic and what works and what doesn't. First of all, this is the landing page that I'm using where I'm driving my paid traffic. Now, the paid traffic I'm talking to you about can work for anything, but I'm actually using it for affiliate marketing products and make money online. Now, you can apply what I teach you to other products, especially with PPC, because you can target more, keywords. But let me talk about some of the paid traffic sources we're going to go over. So, this is the paid traffic I use to build my list currently. I use PPC, and you can target any niche you want. Media buys, I'm going to show you. Facebook ads, I'm going to show you some retargeting, and then email traffic or solo ads. And I use a lot of different providers to get really fresh traffic. Okay, so you don't want to buy from people that are always swapping their lists, and you don't want to buy from people that are basically just going to be on a million different lists. You want to have fresh, unique traffic that, of course, buys. All right, so let's get into it. So the first thing I want to show you, and I like this a lot, and I'm going to show you why here. And now you may not be a fan, but I'm going to show you why this is so great. Now, what I'm showing you is Bing ads, and you can target any keyword you want in Bing ads. So it doesn't matter if you're, in the dog training niche, or if you're promoting, your own product, or whatever it is you're promoting, CPA offers, anything online. This is really a good way to get traffic. Now I want to show you. My average cost per click on these recent ads, now they're pretty competitive. I've gotten it down to 13 cents, 11, and even 22 cents. Now, I have ran campaigns where I've actually gotten 2 or 3 cent clicks, okay? And this is USA traffic. We're talking about USA traffic. But if you look at that, 101 clicks at 11 cents a piece, you really can't beat that, okay? Especially since this is really converting. So I'm going to pull this up here and just kind of show you my stats. I only have my budget set at $5 a day. You don't need a huge marketing budget to start making money online. Okay, I can actually go into keywords, and I can actually see what keywords were converting for me, right? So Make Money Online was actually getting me the best results. Even though I bid 38 cents, that's one thing you want to know on Bing ads, I was getting my cost per click for 9 cents, okay? 10 cents, 15 cents, 29 cents, 13 cents, 11 cents, and look, even 2 cents right here for email marketing. Pretty effective, as you can see. Really super cheap, targeted advertising for my funnel. Now, one thing you want to test are your pages. Now, I use lead pages, and you may have to test a few different funnels. And sometimes, if one funnel doesn't convert, you want to split test it, because another funnel may convert. Let me show you this really quick so I can show you what I'm talking about. Sometimes if someone's in the search engine and they click on your ad, they may want to be taken to a video first to kind of see what you're about before they opt in. Sometimes sending people to a page that looks like this, especially with Facebook ads and PPC, a lot of people know this is a capture page and they may not just opt in. So sometimes you need to send them to a video, and they may want to learn more about what you're offering or what value you're giving. So, if you're teaching Facebook PPC, list building, different things like that, you really want to know your audience. So sometimes with PPC ads, such as Bing ads, I do not use a standard capture page. I, for one, use usually a shorter video than this. I usually use like a 3-minute video. As you can see, this video here is 10 minutes. I usually aim on a 3-minute video, and then I say, hey, if you want to learn more, then I'm going to give you more information on this. Go ahead and get access below. So they've already gotten some value. The key is you want to give value up front, especially with Facebook ads, because if you're doing what everyone else does, which is they're just sending them to the capture page, that's really not too good. You need to send some type of value. So I use a page typically like this. Tells us a little bit about ourselves, and just a nice little letter kind of about what you're going to learn, right? So you have some expectancy as, okay, they know they're going to opt into a list. They know they're going to be getting emails, but what are they going to be getting emails about? So different value like that, okay? And another thing is I want to show you is I'm on Facebook ads now, okay? I don't have any current ads running, but I did recently, okay? I've gotten also very cheap clicks on Facebook But some campaigns I'm running are different than others because Facebook has so many, advanced targeting. In fact, some of the campaigns I've been running were for video views. I was paying 94 cents a view. Some of them I was doing website clicks. Okay, there's so many different ways that you can target on Facebook and get results too, and create your ads. So Facebook is a great way to get traffic. Once again, same scenario. You have to know who you're targeting, and you want to build something that's appealing. That say, hey, value comes first. You always want to, pitch value, give value. Then, after you give value a relationship, you can get people on your list and then sell. Okay, so that's another thing that I want to point out, and I could go through and show you to set up an ad, but that'd take too much time to do in this video. But I will make future videos. So Facebook ads are very effective. You just have to split test different pages. Okay, you can't just split one page and expect a high opt-in rate or a high amount of leads and sales that come through your funnel. You have to test a few different things. All right, so here's another thing. Here's my list right here. Another thing that you can look at, and there's a lot of things out there, there's media buys. And a media buy is basically buying a banner or an ad on a website. Now, you could go to a website that has dog training products on it, and if that's what you're selling, you can find out if you can buy an ad on their site. Or you can go to an affiliate marketing site that you really value, maybe a forum, and they usually sell banner ads. So like Warrior Forum, you can get a banner ad running on there, or you can come to buy sell ads. Pick your category. Okay, excuse me. So if you're doing something web design and development, you pick this category. If you're in the business and finance, click on that. You're going to get some stats. Okay, so as you can see, some of these websites get millions of visitors a month. And you usually buy impressions is how it works. So you're basically, and what impressions are basically is for every 1,000 people that see your ad, you're going to be charged X amount of dollars. Well, these sites get a lot of traffic. So I'll just click on one just to show you. Okay, these guys are charging $8 for 1,000 impressions. Okay, so it depends on this, but they're getting a lot of traffic. So if if you're getting the top center ad, okay, you just really have to know your audience. That's the thing. So you'd want to go to this website, see what they have, how could you create an appealing ad, and of course it has to tie into whatever you're marketing as well. So that's something you want to keep in mind. So that's what media buys basically are. You can go out individually to smaller sites that don't get as much traffic and probably bargain yourself a price and not pay so much. So that's what you really want to go for. Another thing that I talk about here, going back to our paid traffic, okay, you got PPC, which I went over really quick, and I like Bing Ads because it's cheap. Google AdWords doesn't like affiliate marketing or make money online. Bing Ads, you're still able to promote that, but Google AdWords does work great for other niches if you're trying to if you're trying to sell other products. So I kind of covered media buys and what those are. Basically, banners or buying an ad on a targeted website. So you obviously want to buy an ad on a targeted website. You're not going to buy an ad for make money online, on a site about dogs. It just won't work very good. Retargeting, I'm going to get into that. So let me go to Facebook and just to show you, okay, what retargeting is. But typically, I'm just going to go here, homepage here. You usually see ads that pop up. In fact, look, here's a good example. So Leadspedia, it's tied around affiliate marketing. This is definitely retargeting because I was just doing some search, on leads. And so basically retargeting is just a pixel. And so after you visit a site, you come back to Facebook, you're going to see ads, about, different things. Like I'm saying ads about solo ads. I'm saying ads about lead generation. So it's really targeted around what I like. You can do that as well. It's just a piece of code that you can actually put on your landing pages. Okay, piece of code you put on your landing pages. Someone visits your page, but if they don't opt in for whatever reason or they don't see your whole video, and next time they log into Facebook, you can have it set so where they see your ad, which is really actually quite phenomenal. I can't even say the word, which is actually quite extraordinary. Is that they can see your ad. You can brand yourself, right? You can brand your face. You can brand your brand if you have a logo or some design. But in my case, we're always branding ourselves. And when these people come back on Facebook, they're going to see your nice little ad there, and then they're going to click on it, be taken back to where they wound up. So Facebook retargeting, getting that into your campaign is super effective. Email traffic is very good if you know how to work with it. Basically, grabbing solo ads or anything like that. So those are some really good traffic sources. that you can use to get started. These are the paid traffic sources that I use to build my list. So as you can see here, I've been building my list pretty steadily. I have organic, paid traffic. Traffic that's built around content is really good as well. And that's the right way to really build your list. So if you're interested in learning more about paid traffic, you want to get some traffic from one of our lists or use one of our traffic sources, I'm actually going to put a link below the video and you can learn more about paid traffic. You can actually join our newsletter and learn about paid traffic. I will actually go through some courses when you're on my list, and I'll teach you how to set up your Bing campaign successfully. I'll even teach you how to get 2 and 3 cent clicks. I'll even go through buy, sell ads. You'll see some information on how to set that up. I'll even teach you how to set up several Facebook campaigns around, a fan page, around an ad, around retargeting, and even how to get cheaper clicks than what you see here. I can actually teach you how to get 2 and 3 cent clicks that are super targeted based on, what you're promoting. So I'll even teach you how to create your own landing pages. So if you want to learn all of that, go to the link below the video. Just opt in. You're going to get a lot of information. I send a lot of value out on my newsletters because I like to educate and help people become successful online. And of course, if you like what you see, if you have any questions, just add me on Facebook.